Hello everyone, welcome to this 14th video on Excel. In this video, we'll see how we can use filter as a substitute of countif, sumif functions. So let's start. So you can see on my screen that it is the same IPL dataset which we have been using in the last few videos, and you can see this uh, table that we have where we have the team names and the year, and here we are using SUMIFS formula to get the sum of column E, which is winning bid. So total winning bid for a particular team in a particular year, we have been we are calculating it using SUMIFS formula. Now we'll explore how we can get the same result using filter formula. So I'll just copy this row and I'll paste it here, paste values just for a cross check, and we'll change the formula here to filter and see how we can actually use filter and sum to achieve the same result. So let's modify this formula here. So here what we are doing is we are summing on column E, where the condition on column D is that it should be greater than equal to this J6, and the condition on column C is that it should be equal to H9, and column F that it should be equal to I8. So let's modify now to filter formula. So I'll write filter first, and this remains the same. The condition here will be converted to like this, greater than equal to, so we'll be writing it directly, and then with asterisk sign we'll apply another condition where this is equal to this, and with another asterisk sign we will now apply the third condition where f should be equal to I8. So these three condition we have to apply, and then we'll get the records for which is there in column E. Now I have to sum all those records. So first, applying filter, I'll get the required records which I want to sum to get the desired result. So first we will apply filter with multiple condition, and then later on sum. So once I enter this, you see I'm getting the same result. Now I can drag the formula, because again proper freezing of column, row, and the combination of these is done. So I can drag this formula to the right and then to the bottom, and then control D. So now this formula is applied to all the cells here. But yeah, there are a few cells where we don't have any value, which were earlier 0, it now showing calculation error. Because when we applied that filter condition, there were no filtered rows. So this formula was not working. I mean, it was showing that calculation error. Let me apply it again, and all these cells where it is 0 will get a similar kind of result. So now it takes some time to actually apply it to rest of the cell, but yeah, these calculation errors are there, and because of that also we are not getting the proper sum here. So what is the way to resolve this? So here yet another very useful function comes into picture, and that is if error. So if we are getting an error here, we can just use this if error function, and wherever we are getting any error we can just replace those with 0. So once I do this, I'll drag the formula again to the right and to all other cells. And now let's see how the results look like. Again, the formula is being applied. And now you see all those error cases are now replaced with 0. So this syntax again is very useful. So if you want to do sum, count, average by applying multiple condition, you can either use SUMIFS, COUNTIFs or average ifs, or you can use a combination of filter and the other required function. Whether if you are doing sum, you use sum. If you want to count, use count, or if you want to take average, you can take average. So I hope you like this video. So do subscribe my channel, share it amongst your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.